Hi, and welcome back to Talkin Grow. Today, all that hard labor, all that hard work is finally paying off. Today we're harvesting the potatoes and what we can make out of it. So let's go on and do that. But for this video I thought, you know what, I'd let you guys enjoy a little track of my own called KTHC. But if you only want to see the harvest and what's coming after that, then you can skip on to 258. I wrote it. Enjoy.
Potatoes there. Look at this. Big ass tighter. Big ass tighter. It's not a lot, but hey.
Yep, that's that blight. Throw it away. Throw it away. Just throw it away. Not look at it.
Oh well. Snap.
True, could have been more, but you know, lost some due to blight. I think we're doing all right.
Ein richtiger Missgebraten.
They are some weirdly shaped potatoes, not gonna lie, but hey.
Potato.
That's not that great, but you know, blight probably did take some of the flavors, but got some chunkers out of it. Quite happy about it. Good harvest. Next year we're gonna take this to the next level. So with the tomatoes, we've got an 8,647 grams, if I'm not mistaken. So with these potatoes, we got 1,560. What was it? 63 grams. Okay. So next year's tomato harvest, we want to aim for at least 12 kilograms. Next year's potato harvest, we want to at least aim for 6 kilograms. So let's go ahead and make it happen. First we gotta peel them, then we gotta wash them, then we gotta get all those spots out, and then we're gonna cut them into shape. If you put your cut up potatoes into water and let them sit for a few hours, all the excess starch will come out, and then your potatoes, fry them in oil, the fries will get crispier. Marinated in your And remember,
chicken oil.
if I can grow, what's stopping you?
But no, for real, these could be your fries.
These are our own French fries from the garden. Let's go!
Potatoes.